officer John Ardeline drinking at a bar, drinking the night he got into his car and then crashed into another vehicle, killing 2 young men. Now, Ardeline was charged in the case, but a judge ruled that there wasn't enough evidence to take him to trial.
And then after reopening the case, the Cook County State's Attorney decided there was insufficient evidence to charge the officer again. ABC 7's Sarah Schulte tonight taking a closer look at this case.
The man highlighted in this video surveillance tape doing a shot in a bar is identified by police and the Cook County State's Attorney as Chicago police officer John Ardeline. According to the time on the bar video, 12 minutes after the off-duty cop left this Northside establishment, Ardeline's Dodge Durango crashed into this Pontiac, killing the driver, Eric Lagunas, and his best friend, Miguel Flores.
All our family wants is for them to do the right thing. All our family wants is justice for Miguel and Eric.
And Nancy Flores is hoping this videotape will help get justice, even though the Cook County State's Attorney's Office considers the case against Ardeline closed. Witness testimony states Ardeline was speeding and passing cars right before the accident at Damon and Oakdale last Thanksgiving, although a judge ruled after a preliminary hearing that there was not enough evidence to prove Ardeline was legally drunk at the time of the crash. But the evidence presented in court did not include the videotape.
That's evidence that clearly should have been seen. It clearly, in my mind, should have made a difference as to whether this prosecution went forward.
Over a 2-hour period, the tape shows Ardeline drinking what appears to be 5 shots, as well as other drinks in between. One shot is with the bartender, another is poured in his mouth by a woman. At the end, Ardeline puts on his hat and takes a bottle to go from the bartender. Minutes later, 2 people are dead.
It makes me sad. It makes me really sad to see that they didn't pay as much attention to the video.
Prosecutors say they chose not to use the tape because it did not support their case. Cook County State's Attorney spokesman John Gorman says, quote, the tape does not show any signs of drinking, such as staggering or stumbling, end quote. At the preliminary hearing, the Martini Ranch bartender testified that he did serve Ardeline 2 beers, a rum and coke, and a shot of tequila. The bartender says the remainder of the shots were water. Refusing a field sobriety test, Ardeline took a breathalyzer at his own police district 7.5 hours after the accident. He registered half under the legal limit.
It's just not right. This family got the short end of the stick, not only with the outcome of their children and their brothers being killed, but I don't believe they had fair justice served to them.
The victims' families have filed a civil suit against John Ardeline and the Martini Ranch. We've left several messages with the officer and his attorney. The Chicago Police Department has relieved Ardeline of his police powers. He is on desk duty until the results of an internal investigation. Kathy and Allen.